optimizing a kitchen after a very recent move-in. And so my client has done what she can with certain cupboards and everything, and now we're going to be looking at what is the best use of space. Oh, and some closets over here. Narrow closets, but some good options here. See you soon. All right, hello, mid-process here. We've done a lot of work in a short amount of time, really about, I think, 2.5 hours. And you can see that a lot of areas are clear. And what I want to say about this is without going to the stores to buy the recommended items. But what we really did was decide where things go best. This area here, although I'm sure on the video here it looks like a mess, what it's going to be is all these kind of jars, and they're going to be filled with dried goods. So that's going to be her dry good pantry area. We put big platters down there because that's a great place for her to entertain from and just grab a platter. And they were taking up valuable space in the one of those 2 storage closets, which I'm going to show you in a second. And then this IKEA unit here, which is always used for many things, we said, let's put things that you want to see up there. So again, a little mid-process, we're just gathering things there. And down below are all her placemats and so on. So I recommended getting just a white dollar store bin to corral those and house those. And I want to show you this closet. And so now we've got some big items that aren't used as much. Some items that are used regularly are on these middle shelves like Tupperware and so on. These baskets that she already had fit there perfectly, and you can see we've got some Tupperware in there and some room to grow in here. And then we took the recycling bins from out underneath the kitchen sink area, and we put those there because, you know, that you can just throw in very quickly. All right, there's that. Remember, mid-process. So what we've done here is gather like with like. And she's going to go to the store and get some bins, some hooks to hang things on the backs of the doors. That's a tip for you to access those. Measure, measure, measure. So just know that this is mid-process, but we've gathered like with like, and that's what's most important to get going. The other thing we did in here to make space in that storage closet is we put these large appliances here that weren't fitting before, so I just moved the shelf. And these are things that she uses quite often, and they were going to just zip them up on the counter, and that'll be really quick for her. So I just want you all to know that, you know, before it gets perfect, it is a process. And just know that a lot can be done in a short amount of time, and you just have to measure, decide like goes with like. What you use most often, keep at hand. Okay, those are my tips for now. Take care. Kim Sneath, Clutter Coach. Bye.